Over the years, in spite of the global economic crisis, the SARS pandemic, the tragic events of the September 9/11, and other challenges, international civil aviation has experienced a remarkable and steady improvement in efficiency, safety, and security. The air transport system is considered as a key driver of economic, social, and cultural development throughout the world. This has been achieved through the cooperation and collaboration between ICAO, member states, and with the air transport industry. Consequently, ICAO was able to develop standardized technical and operational standards and practices that allow states to establish and implement regulations and policies necessary for aviation safety, security, efficiency, and regularity whilst promoting environmental protection. However, ICAO acknowledges that the transition of the aviation industry into the 21st century has brought about new challenges. Solutions have to be identified and developed now in a holistic manner if greater efficiency is to be achieved. Everyone acknowledges the need to solve the congestion of airways and aerodromes because of the rapid growth anticipated in the coming years. It's within this context that we are holding this workshop. The 37th ICAO Assembly has directed the ICAO to redouble its efforts to develop planning tools and methodology to manage this transition. This call has resulted in the consolidation of the GASP and GANP. Ladies and gentlemen, this conference follows the ICAO changes to the GANP that were put forward for consideration by the member states during the 12th Air Navigation Conference in November 2012. This included altering the air navigation system planning and implementation method, now known as the Aviation System Block Upgrade. Most of the Pacific Island states continue to use conventional ground-based navigation aids as primary means of navigation. These ground-based systems have served the aviation community very well since its inception. However, they do not permit the flexibility of point-to-point operations available with BPN to meet the challenges of today and the future. ICAO has adopted BPN to address these challenges. This BPN workshop, as an ICAO special implementation project, will also assist Pacific Island states to develop a BPN plan. The BPN task force meeting will promote BPN knowledge sharing, facilitate its implementation in the Asia-Pacific region, as well as to identify gaps in states' BPN implementation plans and to mitigate them accordingly. Ladies and gentlemen, Fiji has hosted a number of ICAO workshops and trainings to support island states in the region. And I'm happy on behalf of the Fijian government to have the Fijian government host this ICAO BPN workshop and the 10th Task Force meeting here in Nadi, Fiji. I hope you will take this opportunity to gain as much as possible from this workshop and enjoy the Fijian hospitality and take the opportunity to see more of our beautiful country. I now have much pleasure in declaring this ICAO BPN workshop and the 10th BPN Task Force meeting open. Naka, thank you.